talking about pitch, amplitude, volume, and frequency. I'm going to start with amplitude and volume. Amplitude in a transverse wave is the height of the wave. And in a longitudinal wave, it is the difference between a compression and the normal material. So, how does amplitude relate with volume? And what is volume? Volume is how loud a sound is, and amplitude directly relates to this. As the amplitude gets bigger, the sound gets louder. And as the amplitude gets smaller, the sound gets softer. And this is because a higher amplitude means higher energy, and a lower amplitude means lower energy. So the more energy you put into creating a wave, the higher amplitude it's going to have, and the higher volume it's going to have. I'm going to demonstrate this by using a drum. First, I'm going to hit it with a low energy and create a low amplitude. Not very loud, right? Now I'm going to hit it with higher energy to create a larger amplitude and make it louder. With the drum, you can see that by putting more energy into creating a wave, you can make a higher amplitude, and that makes the sound louder. Next, I'm going to be talking about pitch and frequency. Pitch is the highness or lowness of a tone, and frequency is the number of waves per second. Pitch relates to frequency, and that the higher the frequency, the higher the pitch, and the lower the frequency, the lower the pitch. There are 4 ways that you can change the frequency and pitch of a sound, and that is by changing the length, the diameter, the tension, or the density of the source of the sound. For example, the more dense the source is, the lower the frequency will be, and therefore the lower the pitch will be. Similarly, the longer the length of the source, the lower the pitch will be, and the lower the frequency is. Pitch and frequency are related to each other, just as amplitude and volume are related to each other.